going to learn how to draw fruits. That's right. What's your favourite fruit? I love cherries, so I'm going to start with those. 2 cherries side by side. It looks almost like a heart shape, but a bit rounder. A little bit of shine, some stems and leaves. That was easy. Now, some long shapes for bananas. We're doing a bunch, so 3 in a row. Next, it's an apple. A little bit like cherries with a little dent in the bottom too. And of course, much bigger. And a pear shape. We all know what a pear shape looks like. Is that right? And a slice of watermelon. That's right. So you've got a curvy bottom and a triangular top. Some seeds. Last but not least, we're going to draw a bunch of grapes, starting with the ziggy-zaggy leaf and the stem, and then lots of circles side by side, layering it like so. And there you have it. Time to paint. Ooh, green first. We're going to paint the leaves of our cherries. And red. Do you like cherries? Me too! Lovely. Next is going to be the bananas. Yellow, because they're going to be nice and ripe bananas. Have you ever tried having banana with honey? It's amazing, especially in a sandwich. Round for the ends of our bananas and the stem. Now green for our apple leaf. And red for our apple. Of course, we can get apples in varying colours, so you can choose what colour you'd like yours to be, but we're doing a nice red juicy apple. There. Time to paint our pear leaf. And we're using a lighter green for the pear itself. Carefully painting in between the black border. And it's done. There you go. Red next for the main part of our watermelon. Ooh, delicious. I love eating these on a hot summer's day. And green for the rim. Last but not least, we're going to do our lovely purple bunch of grapes. And grapes come in different colours too. Red, black, green, light, dark. So you can pick and choose your favourite ones. I like the dark ones because they are the sweetest. One more to colour. And now we do the leaf. What a lovely leaf it is too. And there you go. If you've enjoyed drawing and colouring these fruits, you can have a go at home. Why don't you try pausing the video to learn one at a time? Good luck! Hi kids, how are you doing? Today we're going to draw one of our favourite vegetables. Can you guess what it is? Sort of a long triangle shape with the rounded edges and 3 kind of leaves on top. What could it be? Any ideas? That's right, it's a carrot. Let's darken up the border. We make it nice and thick to make the colour stand out. A few lines, details, facial features. Ready to colour in? Orange, of course. But did you know that not all carrots are in fact orange? That's right, you can get white carrots, purple carrots. It's amazing, isn't it? All the variety you can get in one single vegetable. But they don't tell you about it because they only sell one colour in most shops. Anyway, our carrot is a lovely, friendly, smiley orange carrot because it's a lovely, bright, happy colour. Do you know what carrots are good for? They're full of vitamins! That's right. What vitamins are in a carrot? Do you know? Any idea? They are full of vitamin A! And they have some vitamin K, potassium, vitamin C, and even calcium and iron. They are very nutritious and kind of tasty too. Hey, do you prefer yours raw or cooked? I love them raw. I like to dip them in hummus. Colouring in the leafy part green, And we're almost there. And we're done. Perfect. Hi friends, today we're going to learn how to draw a cute cupcake starting with a cherry on top. A top layer of icing and then layer some more icing underneath that. A few wavy lines. Every layer slightly different. And then we do the cake underneath it. Brilliant! Hey, let's do a face. 2 shiny eyes. Couple of little eyebrows. And a smile. Ah, right. Now we're going to thicken up the border to make a nice thick black outline. And time to paint. Ooh, which colour shall we do first? Let's do the cherry first. A nice spot of red. I love cherries, they're my favourite. Do you like the fresh ones or do you like those sweet ones? I like fresh cherries. Perfect, now let's do yellow for our top layer of buttercream icing. I think we'll make this a nice rainbow covered cupcake. Let's do blue. This could be blueberry flavoured. Imagine if your buttercream icing was all different flavours. Wouldn't that be tantalising on your taste buds? Now let's go for green. This could be minty flavoured. So you can use a separate paintbrush for each of these colours or simply dip the same paintbrush in clean water each time to wash off the previous colour. And purple, my favourite. Hey, this could be plum flavour. Or maybe even blackberry. What do you think? Now our last layer of buttercream icing could be yellow again. Yeah, yellow at the bottom and yellow at the top. Wow, it's like a rainbow buttercream icing sandwich. Vanilla, I think, or maybe lemon. Time to colour in the cake. Orange. Painting around those eyes, those big cute eyes. We can even mix a bit of yellow in with the orange to make it slightly more peachy. Keep going, you're doing great. Almost there. And just the last bit. Done! And there you have it, a gorgeous rainbow cupcake. Good job.
subscribe and watch more.